Hi guys, I hope you are fine. I'm NJ and I want to teach you everything I know about InDesign in this channel. Welcome to the fifth part of the complete InDesign tutorial. If you haven't seen the previous episodes, I suggest you watch them first. If you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification, YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a new video. This will motivate me to produce you more educational videos for you. In this section, we want to get acquainted with the Tools panel. We also learn how to draw shapes and get acquainted with the Layers panel. Let's get started. Selection tool. This tool allows us to select all objects. With this tool, we can move the selected objects or change their size or rotate. You can also use the V and Escape shortkeys to select this tool. Of course, Escape can be used when we have drawn a text frame using the Type tool and we want to return to the Selection tool. The next tool I want to introduce you is the Typing tool. You can also use the T shortkey to select this tool. This tool allows you to create a text box and select text. Select the tool and create a text box by clicking and dragging. Now we can create text box by typing directly or import the text file from outside InDesign. The next tool is the rectangle tool, which allows us to create square or rectangular shapes. Its shortkey is also M. Select the tool and draw the shape by clicking and dragging. When drawing, if we hold down the Shift key, we can draw a square. If we right-click on this tool, we will see two other tools. One for drawing a circle or an ellipse, and the last for drawing a polygon. The next tool is the Frame tool. This tool allows us to create frames to place images. Okay, let's go to this part where there are two options for color. One is for fill color and the other is for stroke. Fill for inside the shape and stroke for outline. If we double click on the fill, the color picker will open and we can select the color we want. And if we double click on the stroke, we can change its color. Also, if we want to delete the color, just click on this icon that looks like a slash and we will see that the color has been removed. Okay, now let's draw some shapes. But first, let me delete these objects. Draw a rectangle by selecting the rectangle tool and clicking and dragging. Now we draw an ellipse with the ellipse tool, and if we hold on the Shift key in this case, we can draw a circle. Now select this shape with the selection tool and from here give it a color by double clicking and selecting a color from color picker, and from here, we put the stroke on none. We do the same for this shape. Now, what if we want to duplicate a shape? It's very easy. Just hold down the Alt key in Windows or Option on Mac and click and drag to copy the desired shape. The next topic I want to teach is about the rulers that are at the top of the page here and next to the page here. If we want to know what a ruler unit is, just right-click on the ruler and see the ruler unit. If we change the unit on any of the horizontal or vertical rulers, it only changes on that ruler. But if we want to change both together, we have to right-click on this small part in the corner of the page. And now if we change the unit, the ruler unit will change the whole page. The last thing I want to introduce in this session is the Layers panel. Go to the Window menu and click on the Layers. I will tell you more advanced explanations in future sessions, but for now, let's get acquainted with the generalities of layers. When we open the new file, we only have one layer that you can see here. Next to the layer name is a small arrow that shows the contents of that layer when we click on it. As you can see, it shows the shapes we draw here. Next to each layer object is an eye icon that if we click on it, that shape will disappear, and if we click again, it will return. In order to be able to change the name of each layer, we need to click slowly to activate the layer name, and we can change the name of that layer. For example, red rectangle. Also, to rename the main layer, double-click on its name. In this window, we can give the layer a new name. For example, Shapes layer. Or change the color of the layer here, and finally click OK. Okay, that's enough for this session. It's better to practice the topics I taught so that you can learn well. And open as always, if you have any questions, be sure to ask in the comments and I will answer them all. Don't forget to like the video and send it to your friends. Be creative and energetic. Bye.